Hey, man, we got a club car, President, Tempo, or Onward here. I'm gonna start doing a video of every time I do a golf cart I fix. I'm gonna do a video of it. This one here, we do a lot of gas cars down here. 80% of our customers have gas. That's why I do a lot of gas videos. But the problem they're having is when you barely touch the gas, you can hear the engine. I mean, I'm just barely touching. As soon as the engine engages, it's running wide open. So what we're going to do, we're going to come back here. Now this is a 2020, what year is this, 22? This is a 2021. So the first thing we're going to do, with meaning this fuel injection, first thing we're going to do is check the throttle and make sure. You really can't see it because it got that dust cover on it. So we're just going to make sure the throttle's not opening. And the best way to do that, since it has that dust cover, is go to the back here. And what I'm going to do here is it has this trunk access cover. And what I'm going to do is just take it and just pull it off. There's some push rivets on it like this. So there's one. I got to find the others and went hidden. All right, what you want to do is take the push rivet like this. You want to open it up, just take it and push the middle back down. So when you get done, you'll have that there, and then you can reuse it. What we're going to do, we're going to check the throttle and make sure the throttle is not out of whack. Now what I'm going to do, man, I've told y'all a couple times, I'm going to post a video on here for my members and just see if they can tell me what's wrong with this. All right. I see what's wrong with it already, but we're just gonna let everybody look at it and see what they think. All right, man, stay tuned, man. This is just a members only video.